Phygitals have taken over. I mean, check out my background. I'm gonna unbox these dotswoosh Nike Air Force Ones, so stay tuned. And this all comes on the heel of BTC breaking 34,000, almost 35,000. And guess what? Pepe token is up a whopping 28%, which means that degen season, is that back in? Well, let's just check the Fear and Greed Index. And yes, we are in greed season. This all comes on the heel of BlackRock's potential spot ETF ticker being listed on NASDAQ. Is on, is off, is on, off, doesn't matter. People are FOMOing in, which bodes great news for crypto and eventually the NFT market. We are already starting to see a rounding out of the bottom. We've been hitting upward trends of daily volume for the last 2 weeks. Let's keep the momentum going. NFTs are starting to decouple from cryptocurrencies as they should. Here's a great first example, dotswoosh's first ever Web3 sneaker drop called the Tina J's. Tina J stands for This Is Not a JPEG, and they have been selling really well in the secondary market, even in the bear market no less. We are seeing sales on hour above the retail price. The retail price was only 120 bucks, and they sold quite a bit of these. Let me show you how many. 18,000 pairs to be exact. At $120, that's close to $3 million. And for context, that's not a low amount of numbers. Travis Scott's Air Force Ones just released and sold 50 to 60,000 pairs. Another musician, Jay Bavlin, sold over 43,000 pairs. And these Web3 sneakers, which no one knows about, right? Not many people are into NFTs, bought close to 20,000 pairs. I mean, absolutely smashed it out of the park. I had to grab a pair myself because they're a limited edition. These are the first Web3 shoes ever. And guess what? This is not a JPEG. Woo-wee! Check that out. A dot and a swoosh. This is not a JPEG on the back. Comes with some blue laces, all right. And they did not incorporate the NFC tag, which is the near field communication chip that Artifact sneakers have. I have some Artifact sneakers in the back, which I'll show you in a second. But still, nonetheless, pretty nice. First low top Air Force Ones I've ever owned in my life. I don't know if I'm going to wear it. If I had 2 pairs, I'd wear one, but I only got one. Love the dot swoosh branding. Pretty just normal box. The Artifact box, let me tell you, that's something else. Regardless, this is selling a lot on the secondary market, but guess what? With NFTs, you don't have to go through the hassle of even worrying about wearing these expensive shoes out. You can show off the NFT variation of that, and let me show you what I mean. And that's because with every shoe that you purchase, you get the digital twin with it. You're the verified owner. You don't have to lie to people and pretend you got a screenshot of the shoes and steal someone else's shoes. I mean, this is the future. With these digital twins, you can also skin them in games in the future, skin them in 3D graphics in the future, in films in the future. Who knows? The sky's the limit. Another Phygital that's absolutely ripping to the top right now is none other than Artifact and Murakami's Air Force One, also by Nike. This Phygitals is a collaboration between Artifact, which is the NFT company that Nike bought, and Takashi Murakami, who is a renowned artist all over the world. You can see on a secondary market, these are sales upwards of $2,000. And without even a picture on StockX, these shoes are selling upwards of 1,500 bucks. I actually have a pair in the back that won't open because it is so rare. I think these are gonna go upwards of $10,000. Right now they're selling in the secondary market, but guess what? No one's even shopping right now. It is a down market. As the bulls come back and Bitcoin top 60 Gs, you best believe these shoes are going to a pretty penny. Also Web3 shoes, and also comes with a digital twin that you can pair with the shoes. This shoe comes with a near-field communication chip. They might have gamification aspects to it in the future. And the last Phygital that's taken over, you might have seen it in the background, is an 18-inch, 8-pound Iron Man Funko Pop in collaboration with Vivi. Many people know Funko, many people don't know Vivi. I would say that Vivi is the Funko of the digital landscape, meaning that Funko collaborates with all the IPs in the world. Vivi does the same, but they launch digital assets with it. To mark the special occasion, there was a bounty put out by the CEO, the founder of Vivi. He wanted to find the black and gold #1 mint, the #1 Phygital, and was offering a reward of $40,000. And if you got any of the other ones, he was gonna give you $15,000. This set the secondary market on fire. You can see that some were selling for double, maybe even triple the price. These are sales, y'all. I opened up my bad boy and I did not get the #1. I would have had a $40,000 lottery ticket, but I did get an uncommon, a silver suited Iron Man, and I got the digital twin, which I redeemed in Vivi, and let me show you how much that's going for. This Phygital, which I have in my background, comes with the NFT, as you can see right there. I can sell the NFT for $250 right now, which would cover my cost of 150 bucks for this thing. I'll make a $100 profit, and I'll still have the 18-inch Phygital in the back. This is amazing, y'all. I don't have to deal with packaging, returns, making sure the box is in mint condition, fraudulent seller, scams, whatever it is. I sell the NFT, wham bam, thank you ma'am, it's done. Nike made close to $3 million with the Phygital drop, which was a test. They haven't even done a full launch to all their customer base yet. VV sold close to $500,000 worth of Iron Man collectibles, and not many people even know what VV even is. And Murakami, the legendary shoes in collaboration of Artifact, they've sold upwards of millions of dollars of Air Force Ones. Let me tell you, Phygitals are taking over, quite literally, they're taking over my background. You don't want to miss out on this Phygital revolution, but more importantly, you don't want to miss out on some NFT gains. If you want to capitalize on not only Phygitals, but NFTs, let me show you 3 winning trades I made this last week with my private communities. I caught San Fran Tokyo when it was at 0.12 Ethereum. At its high last week, it was 0.24, right now sitting at a 0.219. That's close to a 2x floor price, but let's not stop there. Michelin Explorer Club, we caught it at a 0.05 Ethereum floor. At its peak, it was 0.14 Ethereum. That is a 3x from this current floor price and mint price, might you add. So a quick 2x on your money, not bad. And just last week, I told my group to stack up on some Starbucks NFTs. And with it, I just sold close to $400 worth of Starbucks NFT for a profit of 400%. $80 buy, $350 return, amazing. And there's plenty more wins. I did not have time to list them all, and this was just in the last week. Come to bull market when I have a lot more fun, but to get those dibs, you have to click on the link below because I chat up every single day what I'm buying and selling with my private NFT community. If you love alpha like this, make sure you subscribe and follow on because I got 3 market updates weekly. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.